Hey, and thank you so much for joining me in this month's Take 5 Art video for the month of November. I'm using my regular Traveler's Notebook and Traveler's Company inserts for this week's video. And I'm just starting by prepping my page with this Winsor & Newton ink. And I will tell you the prompts. The prompts for this month are 1. Distress stain, 2. Add a ribbon, 3. India ink or any dark black ink that you have, 4. Dots, 5. Texture paste. This is not turning into the color that I expected. Why is it turning this yellow? It's turning my paper yellow, I think. So weird. That didn't happen when I used this ink before. Oh well, I'll just work with it, I guess. I think the paper is reacting to the ink or something. So while that is drying, I am just going to take my India ink, which is one of the prompts, and write down this quote. And I found this artist slash writer slash poet that I absolutely love on Pinterest, and now I'm following her on Instagram, called Morgan Harper Nichols, or MHN as she is in her own quotes. And the quote goes, "You are worth the quiet moments, you are worth the deeper breath, you are worth the time it takes to slow down, be still and rest." And this quote just, like most of her quotes, hit me really deeply, because at this moment, at the time I'm filming this, it's around the time that I should be finishing off my thesis, but recently I haven't been feeling very well, and I have been taking a break, and I often feel like I don't deserve that break. So yeah, this is a quote that I need to remind myself of, so I thought it would be fitting to use in a art journal spread, which is what led us here. And while this quote is drying, I am going to prepare my texture paste. To make this, I am using some white gesso and baking soda, and I really want a thin texture paste, so it's not going to require much baking soda. I'm just doing half a teaspoon. I'm just starting with that, seeing what happens. Let's add an entire teaspoon. Ooh. Okay, that might have been way too much. Yeah, that's too much. Shit. Oh, I started so well. So I just noticed that my camera quit on me. My storage was full and it didn't capture a lot of what I just did. But I think it left off at where I was creating this texture paste. I have way too much, and I will put that in an airtight container to maybe use another time, and if it doesn't work I can throw that out, but I have made too much. But I got it to this texture, which is a frosting-like consistency, maybe a little bit thinner, but yeah, that's what you want to get. And what I did in the meantime, while I didn't notice that my camera was off, I put another coat of the ink and I created some dots on my page. And for that I used a simple brush. I used this brush. I dipped it in the texture paste and created dots all around my pages. And what I did then, well, I did that on one side of the page, and then I flipped it over and because the texture paste is so tacky, it's copied to the next page, and now I have dots all over my page. While we're here, this needs to dry again. But I wanted to let this dry and then tick off another prompt, which is the ribbon. Now, I have a lot of ribbons. I keep all of them that I've been sent or that come with gifts. And I selected these two that I really want to use. This is a big ribbon and this is a very small ribbon. But this one I am going to glue onto my page somewhere here, but I have to do that when this is dry. And this one I want to combine with some lace and then use it to create a ribbon for this tag. I don't know if you call that a ribbon too, but I think that will give a nice effect and add a little bit of texture to my page again. I just have to keep in mind that this cannot become too 3D because my booklet still needs to be able to close. Oh yeah, I love that. I'm just too impatient to wait all the time, so I am going to cut this to size and then glue it on. This page is going to be filled with texture. I kind of love it. Okay, next I am going to just use a little bit of washi tape and then glue this one on. And I think I'm going to use this washi tape and put a strip here. Yeah, I'm just going to do it and you can see where I put it. I don't think explaining is very necessary when using washi tape, right? As if I planned ahead with this washi tape. And then I can glue on the tag that I want. That's it. I just have to wait for this to dry, but when you see what you're seeing now is the dried version. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed these prompts. Let me just double check whether I actually have all the prompts. So the distress stain, I used my Winsor & Newton ink. Add a ribbon, we have 1, 2, and 3. India ink, that's what I wrote the quote in. Dots, I used the last prompt texture paste for that. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching me create this art journal spread. I love the results. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe. And as always, if you join in on the fun of Take 5 Art, please use the hashtag Take5Art so we can see your creations. And if you make your own video, you can send the link to us and we will include it in our monthly playlist.